Hello, my name's Isaac, and I woke up this morning with one thing on my mind. I'm going to the moon. So I hopped in my rocket, blasted off into outer space, and flew deep into space. I saw a round planet in the distance, so I flew right at it. Landed, got out super hot, really hot. I realized this was not the moon at all. I had landed right upon Mercury, so I got out of there fast. Right back, bam, ended up back at Earth. What was I going to do? Well, I fueled up and I blasted off again, straight out into space. Whoa! There were things flying around, and then I saw a planet. Well, I just crashed right into the planet and realized this wasn't the moon at all, being a planet at all. Asked somebody where this was. Venus! I flew right back. To refuel, of course. Blasted off again in the opposite direction, thinking the moon would be there. I saw a big red ball and it was dusty and I crashed right into it. Got out space boots full of dust. Realized I was on Mars. What was I to do except fly back, refuel, blast off again? A man on a mission to the moon. Well, I was in my rocket for a really long time before I saw a big ball in the sky, and I knew this had to be the moon. It even had an eye. Once I got close and went right in, there was no land at all and nothing to land on. I just flew directly through all this huge gas and right into this storm. It was not an eye at all. Well, I knew that was not the moon, so I flew all the way back because I really needed fuel. Before blasting off, I had a little dinner. Then I flew right back out. I saw the big gas giant one more time, but I knew that was not the moon. That was Jupiter. As I flew onward, I saw some rings off in the distance, twirling around a ball. I thought maybe that was the moon. Once I got near it, I saw lots of moons, but it was not the moon I was looking for, the one I see in the night sky. Ah, I remembered this one. That's Saturn. That must be really far from the moon that I see in the sky, for I cannot see Saturn. But luckily, on one of Saturn's moon, they had a nice gas station, so I filled it up with petrol, and off I went, flying to find the moon. Did I find the moon? Nope. I flew right into someplace I had never thought I would be, never thought I would see, Uranus. Got out of there super quick because it's not even the moon that I want to go to. Neptune? No. Ah, this place is small. Oh, it's getting cold out here. Maybe this is the moon. No, this is not the moon. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is the small planet Pluto. Is this even a planet anymore? I thought to myself. Or this could be a moon. Pluto, that's the last planet in our solar system, I thought. I remembered. Oh, such will I ever find the moon. I blasted off and I kicked into hyper time warp speed. Whoa! And then suddenly, I went into a wormhole. And when I popped out, I was there. This has to be it. Craters everywhere. Look, it's the man in the moon. As I landed and bounced around, whoa! I was super happy to complete my goal, arriving at the moon. All within one day I did. I ate some dinner, read a book, sat back, and dreamed of a next adventure. Good night.